You spent years being the version of yourself that made sense to other people, the one that made them comfortable, the one that always kept peace, the one that didn't ask for too much. You're trying so hard to be enough for people who weren't enough for you. You just wanted to be surrounded by people you love, people who you thought loved you, and people you've gone out of your way to help and care. But in return, the energy wasn't the same. And you forgot that you are the only person you're going to spend the rest of your life with. So why aren't you choosing yourself? Every day we give so much of ourselves away, our time, our energy, our attention to others. We say yes when we want to say no, and slowly, without realizing, we lose sight of how valuable we are. We lose sight of our true selves. You're not an endless resource. You're not here to serve anyone at the expense of your own joy, happiness, and well-being. You're not going to put your joy in the line. No, you're going to come first. You're going to choose yourself first before every other thing. Choosing yourself is something powerful. It's recognizing that your dream, your passion, your health, and your goals are not optional but essential. Choosing yourself is learning to forgive yourself of past mistakes. Yes, you fucked up. Yes, you did. You made mistake. You're more than the mistake you've made. You're more better than the past mistakes or the past things you've done. You're more better than it. And when you start choosing yourself, everything changes. The way you look at yourself changes. You're no longer dependent on other people for validation. You start staying true to yourself, trusting your own instincts, loving yourself more, and going all in. You're going all in for yourself, your health, your body, your mind, everything. You're now taking good care of. Choosing yourself is loving yourself regardless of anything that happened, regardless of who you've been, regardless of where you're coming from, regardless of what you've faced. Choosing yourself is something priceless, and the best decision you could do the rest of your life is choosing yourself without looking back, choosing yourself and owning to it. And it's going to feel like you're selfish, yes. It's going to feel like you're disappointing others because you started setting boundaries, you started avoiding some people, you started cutting off for some group of friends or leaving some cycles. We have to do it because it's for your own good. Because if you don't, no one else will. If you don't stand up for yourself, no one else will. No. So you should carry yourself like you matter, that you're worth it. You're worth love, you're worth respect, you're worth success and every good thing you deserve. So start seeing yourself like you matter. Start choosing yourself. Stop abandoning yourself. Stop treating yourself like you don't matter because you do. Yes, because you do. You do matter. You're here. And that's what makes the difference. That's what makes everything crystal clear. You start choosing or valuing yourself. You begin to set boundaries. You have to say no to what drains you and yes to what fuels your soul. Yes to what makes you happy. Yes to that dream. Yes to follow that passion. Yes to reach for the stars. Yes, because that's who you are. You start and you're irreplaceable. Your value is undeniable, and you shouldn't be afraid to choose yourself over and over again because that's the best decision you could ever make for yourself. And in case no one told you today, I love you so much and I'm always rooting for you.